All right, what's up, everybody? Here once again, checking out yet another protein powder. As you can see, it takes up about half of my screen today. I was walking through a Costco and I saw this and it was really cheap. And I had never seen s'mores flavor, Optimum Nutrition, s'mores, but I don't like these packs because they don't stack very well on my wall. And it's massive, but it was cheap. So I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully it tastes good. This is gold standard whey from Optimum Nutrition. 24 grams of protein in 130 calories, 2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, of which 2 is sugar. So pretty normal macros on this guy. Now s'mores, I find, personal opinion, one of the most overrated flavors. I don't find s'mores to be even that good, but maybe other people do, so I don't know why you try and mimic a flavor that's not, not all that impressive. But anyway, let's give it a try. Let's get this zipper opened up and see if we can break some kind of seal. Uh-oh, that's gonna be harder than I thought. Oh, there we go. All right, it smells nice. Good work, Optimum Nutrition. Okay, now, kitchen scale. I want to do this. I'm going to try this in a few videos. If anybody really doesn't like me doing it, let me know. But I don't know if I care or not. I just thought that I wanted to try a few of these just to weigh them out and see if the scoop is similar to what the package says. So I tear out my scale here. This one says it's 32 grams per scoop, and I'm going to try and do just as normal. I just stick the scoop in, brush off the top. Stick it on my scale here. 29 grams, 32 grams. So this one is lighter than it says on the package. And I understand that it's going to be how much I compress it, but moral of the story is it's kind of hard to get if you're trusting the macros on the package. A scoop's kind of a good approximation, I guess you could say. I guess if you did it enough times, maybe it would come out average. Just for fun, I'm going to try this one more time, just to take more time than usual. I'm going to try and compress one as hard as I can. There we go. There's a compressed one. Let's see what that one says. 31 grams. So you'd have to compress it pretty hard to get 32 grams out of it, I suppose. Anyway, into 300 mils, approximately 10 ounces of water. And I got powder everywhere now, on my scale, on my table. Oh well. Let's give it a really quick shake, and let's see if it doesn't smell as good in water, but that's always what happens. The bad flavors come out when you stick it in water. It smells good in the package. Okay, really quick shake. See? A little bit of floaties, pretty normal on solubility, nothing too alarming to see here. So no complaints with how well it dissolves. Let's give it a taste. Optimum Nutrition s'mores flavor, gold standard whey. Here we go. Okay, not a bad flavor, no bad aftertaste, not overly sweet, but the sweetness is certainly there. The taste is good. S'mores, I guess if I really, really think about it, I can taste the marshmallow in there with some chocolate flavor. The graham, maybe, I don't know, it all just kind of gets blended together into one flavor. So I'm going to say, I'm not going to give it very good points on originality because I just don't like the concept of s'mores. I think it's overrated and too much used and played out, so to speak. Just my opinion. But you get a lot. It was inexpensive. It tastes pleasant. This is Optimum Nutrition. Whey dissolves pretty good. Certainly worth checking out if you're into kind of a chocolatey hint of marshmallow flavor. Medium to high sweetness and no bad aftertaste. Pretty good. Check it out if you can get your hands on it. Optimum Nutrition, Gold Standard Whey S'mores. And I'll catch you next time.